Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Simplex Hydronic Technology. Let me introduce myself. I am Davide Munao, and I oversee the company's entire sales division. Simplex Hydronic Technology is a brand exclusively owned by Simplex Torino SRL, headquartered on Via Sabbioni in Trofarello, in the province of Turin. The Via Sabbioni location is exclusively owned by Simplex Torino, where there is a bonded warehouse, and all our product stock is present. All the offices with the various departments are present, as well as the entire logistics section that we use for the import and export of our goods. Simplex Torino was established in 2021 as a company specialized in customs procedures for import-export, particularly from non-European countries. With a highly advanced team within that allows us to independently, effectively, and very quickly carry out all customs procedures on behalf of third-party clients within, let's say, our division. At the beginning of 2024, with my entry into the company, was founded a division called precisely Simplex Hydronic Technology that is involved in developing, engineering, producing, and obviously reselling components related to radiant flow heating systems or wall and ceiling cooling. Within about a year, a very important range of products was obviously created, which we will examine in detail in the next videos, and a product catalog was created that allows our customer, who is exclusively a producer of radiant systems, also technically called a system integrator or a producer of collectors, to be able to purchase specific components from us, particularly related to the sector of collectors and cables in general, and to be able to customize them entirely according to one's own technical idea and specific requirement. The Simplex Hydronic Technology team consists, of course, of me, as I handle all the international sales as well as product research and development. So all the ideas, all the technical specifications that come from the market or from our clients are reviewed by me, and then I, through a team that collaborates and is coordinated daily by me, proceed with the product development or until the final approval by us, by our clients, for direct placement in the market. Besides myself, we have at our headquarters a specialized team for all customs aspects. So we have a person whom we will introduce in upcoming videos, specialized in operating at the customs level, thus handling internal customs. Thus we can carry out all the procedures quickly and decisively. We have an internal commercial division that handles the daily management of orders we receive from our clients. We have a team dedicated to logistics that specifically deals with all practices, let's say, related to couriers, international shipments, and imports. Let's say everything that is the logistics part. We have an administrative division, and then we have the whole part related to warehouse management, which will certainly be important because the company's goal is to have swift and fast deliveries, or when it comes to productions made outside the EU, therefore outside Europe, to have an immediate knowledge of the inventory in order to provide the client with fast response times regarding the actual delivery times of products. The goal we set as a company and as Simplex Hydronic Technology is to offer a business model that today it is not present on the market, meaning we position ourselves as a company, as an intermediary between our European customer that need to develop ad hoc products, customized products, special products, sometimes even products by design, with the flexibility and costs of a production outside the European Union, and particularly of a production done in China. Therefore, we are a crucial figure that acts as a link, as an intermediary between the production facility in China, where Simplex obviously has total control and decision-making power over the entire produced part, and our client indeed, who commissions us the product that can be produced and supplied. So this absolutely innovative business model allows the client not to have to take care of all those, let's say, the quite significant burdens in controlling production, especially from the other side of the globe, are obviously entrusted to Simplex. But at the same time, having a quality product, always developed in Italy, therefore engineered in Italy. Tested in Italy, also through certified bodies. and, as we mentioned earlier, produced on the other side of the globe, in selected facilities chosen by Simplex, thus with partners in all respects by Simplex, who can provide guarantees in terms of reliability, product quality, of competitiveness, at the level also of raw material research, therefore keeping up with the development of innovative raw materials. Partners with whom it is possible to develop genuine commercial collaborations, even in the long term. And of course, all aspects of commercial management by an Italian team, particularly myself, to create long-term relationships with clients, which is the most important thing that really matters to us. It is a completely new, innovative business model with very important growth opportunities, both for us and for the clients, because by relying on us, they have the chance to develop highly competitive products and thus become market leaders in their own country. Obviously, we will delve deeper into this business model in the next videos. We will delve into what our commercial policies are, what our policies are, what our checks are. We will really dissect topic by topic in dedicated videos, all this in order to make it increasingly clear. But what I wanted to convey in this first introductory video is that the business model of Simplex Hydronic Technology is an innovative business model that does not exist on the market today. Therefore, we are fully available to anyone, even companies that do not see in our product catalog what they are looking for. Because through our expertise, it is definitely possible to create it, or at least try to create it, and thus reach the goal required by the client. We are a young team, a team of guys, let's say with an average age of 40 years. So facilities where we can optimize any production processes. So we have a team that is continuously growing and definitely wants to develop something significant in the future. Also on the functions of each person. We will subsequently make dedicated videos because it is important to understand the entire structure behind it. In addition to a team, very complex group of Chinese colleagues who are constantly working with us, particularly in contact with me, with which we develop the entire technical part of each product. We develop the entire laboratory testing part, and obviously the fundamental thing, we daily review all production processes with connections remotely with the end customer, constantly. Yartat, we develop all the production cycles, testing cycles, and assembly cycles. We have a continuous 24-hour relationship also with, I repeat, remote connections in such a way as to be able to, let's say, to swiftly move into what are the production plants and always be connected from team to team in such a way as to go straight in one direction. So the team present in China is also a very young team, eager to grow, eager to import their own products in the correct way, let's say from the local market, through an export to Europe with selected products, with products made with the criteria requested by European companies and to be recognized, let's say, not as the usual product made in China, but as a product absolutely comparable to those made in Italy. Made in Italy is a product that, when seen and taken in hand, must be recognized as a product of high quality. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, because in the following days, as I said, we will continue to develop new videos to make clearer what the reality of Simplex Hydronic Technology is. For anything, you can find all our contact information in the bio. And we are, as always, completely available every day. Thank you for watching this video.